Hello friends, welcome back to my video. Have you ever had a moment where you felt like you were falling and someone was there to catch you? Today we are going to explore the remarkable story of two friends who proved that true friendships can conquer even the toughest challenges. Here is a captivating story about trust in friendship. Title: The Rope of Friendship. In a distant land surrounded by vast desert and towering cliffs, there lived two best friends, Arjun and Rohan. Both were adventurous and loved exploring new places. One day, they decided to climb the highest cliff in their region, a feat that no one had dared attempt before. With ropes, harnesses, and supplies, they set out early in the morning. The climb was steep and treacherous, but they trusted each other completely. They had a rule: always stay connected by a strong rope to ensure they could save one another if anything went wrong. As they climbed higher, the wind grew stronger and the rocks became slippery. Suddenly, Arjun lost his footing and slipped. He dangled dangerously in midair, held only by the rope connecting him to Rohan. Panic set in as Arjun shouted, "Rohan, I am slipping, can you hold me?" Rohan's hands trembled as he gripped the rope tightly. He held back. "I have got you, Arjun, trust me." The weight of his friend made it nearly impossible for Rohan to hold on, but he refused to let go. With all his strength, Rohan pulled the rope inch by inch until Arjun was close enough to grab the ledge. Exhausted but safe, Arjun climbed back onto the rock. They sat there for a while, catching their breath. Arjun looked at Rohan with tears in his eyes and said, "You saved my life. I will never doubt our bond." Rohan smiled and replied, "That's what friendship are for, to hold on when everything else feels like it's falling apart." Lesson: true friendship is like that rope. It's built on trust, strength, and promise that you will hold on no matter how hard it gets. Life will throw challenges your way, and there will be moments when you feel like you are falling. That's when you realize the value of true friends, someone who will never let go. Matters most. So, cherish your true friends because they are the ones who will hold the rope when life gets tough. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.